Next on the personnel, we're going to have a look at adding job descriptions. So to add job descriptions, we can either click the job description link just here, or we can go to personnel and select job description list. Okay, so we've got a couple of job descriptions in here already. We might just have a look at, we might add a new one. And we might call this the HSEQ manager. This is really what the role is all about. Quality, safety. And the objective might be to maintain the compliance system. No red. So now when we go into the HSEQ manager, we can add in here responsibilities. We can add authorities, and we can add skills and experience. If you want to add more categories here, I'll show you how to do that when we get to the system menu on manage lists. So let me just copy and paste one I did earlier. So this might be some responsibilities. In terms of authorities, so responsibilities are what you're expected to do. Authorities are what you're allowed to do. So they might be things like spending limit on safety items without further approval up to $1,000. You can add a whole range of things. They might be financial limits. They might be limits on negotiating with other organisations. And then the authority might be, so without further approval might mean if it's all amounts over $1,000 might need to go to the general manager or managing director. Skills and experience. You might be happy for a new person. You might say at least 2 years experience in a similar role. And then we can just submit that. Then we can add whatever internal documents they're responsible for, so policies and procedures, or we can add those responsibilities when we do the documents, which is what we're going to do in this case, and that's on the system menu. So this was the reason for adding the training courses first, so we can say, yep, needs a white card, and the time frame months is when they need it from. So if he needs that from day dot, put a 0 in there. You might have requirements for people to get truck licenses or something like that. That's probably the most common one I see. And they might they might have a requirement for a C license from day 0, then you might need them to have a truck license within 12 months. Something like that. Once you finish there, hop back up to personnel here and click on the tick box to say you've done the job descriptions and update. And that's it.